welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so glad that you guys are here with me today. And you, my first time viewers, are joining me for the very first time. Welcome. I'm so glad that you guys are starting off your weekend with me. Guys, today making another delicious meal, and this meal does not need no introduction. It's a national dish. I am making Jamaica's national dish today, Ackee and Saltfish. I love ackee and saltfish. It's delicious, and not to mention it's a national dish because Jamaica is celebrating their independence, and I wanted to make a national dish because it's their independence, and not to mention how much I love ackee and saltfish. This ackee here comes directly off my mother's tree and my grandmother's tree. And you can pair ackee with so much stuff. My only thing that I don't have to put with my ackee and saltfish is the roast breadfruit, because they pair it with roast breadfruit. They also pair it with fried dumplings. But there's so many things. There's no limit to what you can pair ackee and saltfish with. You can use it as your main dish. You can use it as a side dish. And there is, as I said, there is no limit. I just only wish I had roast breadfruit now, because I love eating ackee and saltfish with roast breadfruit. But I will do with what I have today. So let me go ahead and show you all my ingredients to make Jamaica's national dish favorite, ackee and saltfish. So these are all my ingredients to make Jamaica's national dish today. I have here ackee and saltfish. These ackees are of my mother's ackee tree and my grandmother's ackee tree. They pick them, take them out of the shell, and they pour olive oil on them, send them to me, and I put them in my freezer, and they can stay there up to a year or more. Nothing more wrong with them. When I'm ready to cook them, they cook about within 5 to 6 minutes. They are cooked. The saltfish, I wash the salt off it so it will be normal, easy to look after, so it won't be too salty. These are some combination of spices that I blend together. We have garlic powder, onion powder, and I have ginger powder and cayenne pepper and some turmeric powder together. You know, cayenne pepper is one of the best, healthiest pepper that you can ever have. Good for your gut. If you're not using cayenne pepper, I suggest start using cayenne pepper. I have chopped garlic here and blended pepper again that I chop up together. Scallions that I cut up together. Some of you call it green onions. And these are my onions, these are my thyme, and my extra virgin olive oil, a combination to make Jamaica's national dish. As you know, it's Jamaica's birthday, their independence. as usual, the chef have to taste her latest masterpiece, and this is not just any dinner. This is a national dish, a national treasure, Jamaica's national dish. Delicious! It is so delicious and tasty, spicy and everything nice. I love. Guys, so for some of you are wondering, saying, Victoria, we don't have anybody in Jamaica like you to send us ackee. How are we going to make this delicious ackee that you just made? Well, questions asked and answered. Stop and Shop supermarket carry ackee. They're in a can, I think around 20 ounce or so. Also, ShopRite supermarket, all the key food supermarket, and also Walmart and Amazon. So see, you can get your ackee as well. And for you vegans, because I know us vegetarians, we do have fish, but vegans does not. And if you like to make ackee, it's very easy. And make everything else except the saltfish, and you will enjoy your delicious ackee. Ackee is a national treasure of Jamaica, and I'm so honored in making ackee and saltfish for you guys today because it's Jamaica's independence. And I enjoy this because I love ackee. When I go to Jamaica, I mean in my hotel, they serve ackee sometime for breakfast. Ackee can eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. You can have it as a dish, or you can have it as a side dish, your main dish or a side dish. It works with everything and anything, you can eat it with it. So that's the beautiful thing about ackee. It's one of a kind. Only in Jamaica you can find ackee. So guys, this is all what I have to say. The recipe will be in my description box, along with all the link to my social media. So if you guys are wondering how you can follow me in social, my link is in my description box as well. And I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys again. And if you are new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed and you're wondering how you should, see that red subscribe, that's the one that you click on. And when you click on that, you click on the notification bell, so when I upload new videos you will get a notification. And please give my videos thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. When you give my video thumbs up, it means you like it, and YouTube see that this is a video that they should recommend it. And when you comment on my channel, you are communicating with me. So I love that, guys. So do not hold back. And if you have something that you'd like me to make, and if you have a recipe that you like me to make as well, you're welcome to send me the recipe. You can contact me through my social media if you don't want to put it on YouTube for everybody to see. Or you can just put it down there and I will make it for you as long as it is humanly possible. And that's all that I have to say today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.